Hello students, today we will start a new chapter from the course book The Mice and the Elephants. As you can see in the picture, there are many mice present over here and you can see that they are all very happy, they are enjoying there. Some are eating food, some are playing the guitar, some are singing, so they are enjoying there. So what is happening? For that we have to read the story. First of all, let me say that this story is adapted from the Panchatantra. Now you have heard about Panchatantra. What is Panchatantra? Panchatantra is an ancient collection of many animal fables. Fables means the stories. And in earlier days it was written in Sanskrit and it was both in prose and verse. Means it was written in poem form and stories form. So from there this story is adapted from Panchatantra. Now let us begin the story. Once upon a time there was a king who lived in a fine stone palace. After many years the king grew old and died. Everyone left the palace. Slowly the walls fell down and soon only the floors were left. So once upon a time, beforehand what was there? There was a stone palace. Palace means the home of king and queen. So in old days, once upon a time, there was a stone palace where a king lived. So after many years, the king became old and he died. So the other people, those were living there, they all left the palace. Say they went from there, they left the palace. And as no one was living there, day by day the building became old and the walls of the building or the palace fell down and only the floors of the building was left. Now in the cracks of the floors lived hundreds of mice. They lived with their sons and grandsons, their grandfathers and their grandmothers, and they were all very comfortable. They played games and had festivals and weddings, dramas and feasts. They were all very happy. So, in that building, as all the walls fell down and in the floor there were many cracks. Cracks means the floors were broken, and in those broken floors lived hundreds of mice. The mice lived with their father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, and they were very much comfortable there as no one was living in that palace. Comfortable means they were all living very peacefully at very ease. How they enjoyed? They played games, they had festivals and weddings. So they used to play games, different types of games. There was festival and marriage ceremonies, dramas and feast. They were all very happy. Now what is feast? As you can see, they all are eating together. So when many people, or here we can say many animals together take food and enjoy it, we call it a feast. So they all enjoyed the feast and they were very happy there because they can do whatever they like. No one was there to interrupt in their enjoyment. Near this palace was a large lake. One day in the hot weather, the elephant king came to drink water with his herd. The whole herd walked all over the floors of the palace. They killed many of the mice. So one day what happened? One day it was very hot. The weather was very hot and near the palace was a large lake. And the elephant, the king of the elephant, came in that lake to drink water as because it was very hot weather. And the king not only came alone, the king elephant came with his herd. Herd means the group of animal is called a herd. So the elephant group is called here as herd. So, the king elephant came with all the elephants in the forest. The whole herd walked all over the floors of the palace. They killed many of the mice. So, as the elephants, the full group, whole means here the complete herd, means the full group of the elephant. As they walked over the floor of the palace, they killed many of the mice. Under their feet, many mice came and died. As we know that elephant is a big animal and these mice are very small as compared with the elephants. So, when these mice came under the feet of the elephants, they died. So, today up to this we will keep the story. So, this is the story of the mice and the elephants. And what are the difficult words today we get from here? Today the difficult words we get are palace, cracks, comfortable, feast, herd and whole. I have discussed the meanings also. So, next day we will do the rest portion of the chapter. Thank you.